Okay, in this video, I'm going to cover really quickly composites and the composite toolbar. This allows for the the changing of the different materials. So, for example, if I wanted to change the composites or materials that make up this wall right here. This is a 5.5-inch wall. It's got sheathing and siding on the outside. It's got gypsum on the inside with the framing on the inside, obviously. So now, let's say I want to change this for some reason. What I can do is I can go up here to options, slide down here to composites. At least this is the fastest way I've found to do it. And then I've already got it pulled up, but for example, if I needed to find it, I would just click on this drop-down menu. Right here, you're going to see all of the different composites that make up this wall. Basically, here you've got the different colors. Here you've got the different fills and patterns that you'll see. You've got the siding, and then the sheathing. You got framing, and then the gypsum on the inside. So here you can modify a lot of different things. You can change up the color, what it's going to look like in your 3D view. You can change the different textures, the different patterns that you will see on any kind of detail. You can change the size and color of the lines that are used in drawings to show the different composites. And one of the most useful things is you can change the thickness. For example, if I wanted to, instead of 3/4, make this if I want to make this 3/4 sheathing instead of a half, there you go. I just changed the size of our sheathing. Now, if I wanted to make this siding a 1/2 inch, for example, I hit enter, which I didn't want to do, so we'll go back to composites. And here, even if I wanted to change the entire structure of the wall, for example, if I wanted a 3.5-inch wall with sheathing, siding, and gypsum, what I could do is duplicate it, rename this wood 3.5. Okay, and then I come down here and change this to 3.5 inches. Now I have, if I click here on my wall tool, now I should have a, right here, 3.5 siding, or sheathing, siding, and gypsum wall. And this toolbar works for more than walls. It works for pretty much any building material there is in this drop-down menu. So you've got ceilings, floors, roofs, walls, and you can change the composites on all of those and how they show up on your different drawings. So hopefully that helps make your projects go a little bit smoother.